do any work with your clients on physical activity and nutrition, and maybe how that might impact their emotional state and well-being?
Definitely. And I think that one of the biggest ones is sleep. Sleep is something that I've been focusing on with a few of my clients and how that impacts our daily functioning, especially our cognitive functioning. And sleep is something that sometimes some people are having some difficulties with, and trying to find that sleep pattern and really establish that is huge, because it really allows us to be at our best the next day. And if we're not having good sleep, our memory is not as well, our executive functioning is not as well. We're not able to solve problems as well. Everything is impacted. Our emotions are kind of a little bit out of whack compared to our typical days. So sleep is something I really focus on. And during these times, finding that good amount of sleep is really important, and also not oversleeping, right? So not sleeping those 12 to 14 hours a day, but also not sleeping 4 hours a day. So kind of finding that sleep cycle is really important. Just because we're at home during these times as well, I think it's been easy for us to go take a nap, or easy for us to really sleep in extra days. But as an OT, we really thrive on routine and that structure. And that's what we should still have, even though we're working from home or still not able to access things where we're coming in at 8 or 9 in the morning. We should still be getting up at those times, and structuring our days to be doing things throughout the day, because that's where we're staying like our cognition is being stimulated. We're able to really do a lot of these activities to really keep us engaged and provide us that meaning in life.